special welcome to our Sky Miles Medallion members. We appreciate you continuing to trust us with your travel. Before we depart, please direct your attention to the flight attendants in the aisle for a brief presentation of the safety features of our 757 aircraft. If you have any questions, please let a flight attendant know as we do our final walkthrough. Thank you.
Yeah, we're gonna do the old-fashioned.
But she's practicing. This is a seatbelt.
This is a seatbelt. This is how we cross it.
That's an hour drive. That's an hour's drive for me. So I'm on here to see 3 people all lined up, all ready to do the same long day. I miss Christmas rush hour right now. But it's ridiculous.
Just
The more express.
Feather Vegas.
Before departing, please return to the flight attendants for a brief demonstration of the safety features of this 757 aircraft. Your seatbelt must be securely fastened at this time. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. If the sign is off, keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. Federal regulation requires all customers to comply with crew instructions and posted placards and light information signs. Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors. This aircraft has 8 doors, 4 on each side. Most doors are equipped with detachable sides that can be used as rafts. The two small doors behind the wings are equipped with detachable sides that are used for flotation. 2 additional rafts are located in seating compartments near the 2 small doors behind the wings. All exits are clear marked with exit signs and instructions for operation. In an emergency, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit. Please locate the exits nearest you and keep in mind they may be behind you. In the event of evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind. Carrying baggage can slow the evacuation. It is unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels inside the lavatories and above your seat will open, revealing an oxygen mask. If this happens, reach up and pull the mask towards you until the tube is fully extended. If you're wearing a mask or face covering, remove or place an oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and know that oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Secure your own mask before helping others. If needed, life vests are located under or between your seats. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on a tab and opening a pouch. Put the vest over your head, fasten the strap to the front of the vest, and pull on the strap to adjust the vest securely around your waist. After exiting the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or manually inflate by blowing on tab in the tube at your shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. Refer to the safety information card for instructions on how to use life vests for children who weigh less than 35 pounds. If necessary, we issue vests for in-lap children. Before you take off, be sure your seat backs are upright. Your tray tables and carry-on items are properly stowed, and your arm are resting in the rest position. Then take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket. As we complete our final safety checks, let us know if you have any questions. We'll do everything we can to ensure you have a safe and relaxing flight today.
Steps Delta to the captain to turn off the seatbelt sign. Careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight. And please ensure you have all your personal belongings before deplaning. If you're expecting a wheelchair, please remain seated and we will inform you when the wheelchair is available. We sincerely apologize for the delay and any inconvenience. On behalf of this amazing Atlanta-based crew, thank you for choosing Delta. We look forward to seeing you soon.